Hey guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a more natural makeup routine, kind of simple, everyday kind of makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's get started. So first I'm starting with my Belief Moisturizing Balm Moisturizer and just applying that all over my face and rubbing it in with my fingers. And then I am taking this Becca Liquid Illuminizer in the shade Opal and just putting that all over my face lightly and again rubbing it in with my fingers. Now I'm going to be taking my Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation by Tarte in the shade Light Neutral and just applying that all over my face with my fingers. And now I'm blending it out with this IT Cosmetics No. 101 Blurring Foundation Brush. Till the morning glow, we can go higher before I was found. I felt like I could gain the ocean before I was found. I didn't want to breathe out. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral and just applying that at the highlights of my face. And to blend the concealer, I'm going to be taking a Real Techniques Beauty Blender and spraying that with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And now I'm just putting it under my eyes, obviously to conceal my under eyes. And I'm using a smaller Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend this out. And since there was some excess concealer on my sponge, I'm just putting that on my eyelids. For powder, I'm going to be using my Fit Me by Maybelline in the shade 210 and just a big fluffy Morphe brush. Now I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit and this random brush that I got from Target and just contouring my cheekbones and my forehead. So now taking my pink Real Techniques Beauty Blender, again spraying it, I'm going to be swiping it on the Too Faced Candlelight Rosy Glow highlighter, and I'm just putting this above my contour and on my nose. So I'm now taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe and then my Anastasia No. 12 eyebrow brush and just filling out my eyebrows with it. Talk with our head in the clouds and we will walk with our feet on the ground and we will talk with our head in the clouds. And for mascara, I'll be taking this CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom in a brown shade, so it's not as intense as black. So now I'm taking my original Nivea lip balm, and after that I'm applying my Noonie Apple Mint Lip Oil to give my lips more of a gloss to them. Lastly, I'm taking my MAC Prep and Prime and spraying my face. Okay guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment down below what I should do for my next video. Bye!